All right, guys, we are back in the garage with our new to us 1983 BMW R80. And this bike is a bit of a mystery in terms of what's going on with it, why it's not running right. And I don't know a heck of a lot about these bikes. And I don't have the service manual yet for this bike. We are going to get that. But what I thought we could do today was maybe some basic checks. Yesterday I was starting it and running it and trying to figure out what was going on with it, and then it stopped starting. So we're going to take a look at that first. So this BMW's battery is conveniently located underneath the seat. Actually came with a pretty cool toolkit, which maybe I'll show that to you guys because it's a pretty neat thing to look at. You pull this tray out and the battery's right there. I did not charge the battery overnight. Just wanted to see what it would do sitting overnight. And we're gonna just measure its voltage with the multimeter here. What do we got? 12.17. Okay, so I would like to see that ideally be higher than that, like 12.4, 12.6, maybe even 13. So that's a little bit low. All right, now I'm going to show you what happens when I hit the key on this bike. Let's turn on the ignition. Okay, we'll turn on our fuel taps. There's two of them, one for each cylinder. We're in neutral. Our run switch is on. We got choke. And then I hit the button and nothing. I mean, you can hear, I don't know if you can hear that. You can hear the starter solenoid clicking, and that's about it. So I don't know if our battery is just weak or if we got a starter problem now that has developed somehow. But what we're gonna do is put the battery on a charger overnight, and then we're gonna have to come back and hopefully it'll turn the engine over and we can do a compression test. So I was thinking I should just get a jump pack and put it on this battery and try starting it again. I don't know why I didn't think of that before, but then I was just wondering, how old is this battery? 2016. Yeah. So, you know, the guy who sold me this bike from the shop on consignment, you know, mentioned, I think maybe it has a new battery. No. This battery is 9 years old. And according to my charger, it's not any good. So I could do a load test on it, but what's the point? I got to get a new battery. We're going to start with that, and then we'll start tearing into the bike. So we're not going to get that far in diagnosing the BMW today, but what I thought I'd do is share with you this toolkit, which I thought was kind of a pretty cool motorcycle artifact. You just don't see toolkits like this come in motorcycles anymore. And all these tools are like, you know, they're like full-size proper tools. You got a pliers, you got a whole bunch of different open-end wrenches, some closed-end wrenches. They've all got like a DIN number on them, which I believe is like a German standard. And then notice West Germany. So obviously these were made before the reunification of East and West Germany. You know, full set of Allen wrenches, spark plug tools. I don't know why there's, well, I guess one of these might be for spark plugs and one for something else, like a full-size screwdriver. You got some tire tools even. If you want to change your tires on the side of the road, BMW logos. I just thought these were really cool. I don't know if this is original to the bike. I guess I suspect it is. But I've never seen anything quite this nice in terms of a toolkit that comes with a motorcycle, and I thought it was cool to share with you guys. So yeah, we'll put the Beamer on the charger, and then we'll come back and see what we can do. Thanks for watching.